Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade pre-9 students. Hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 1. From chapter number 1, we will discuss uh, gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, and gram formula mass. Before that, I want to request that please learn your lessons daily. It is very important because from the last week of the May your exams will be started, and it will be very difficult for you if you will gather all the material for the exam time फॉर लर्निंग. तो आप अभी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अच्छे से लर्न करते जाओ थोड़ा थोड़ा, ताकि आपको एग्ज़ाम में प्रॉब्लम ना फेस करना पड़े. ठीक है. Now we are going to start our today's topic, that is gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass. बेटा आपको पता हमने एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स डिस्कस कर लिए और फार्मूला यूनिट्स भी मैंने आपको बताया था. एटम्स क्या होते हैं? स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड एटम. व्हाट इज़ अ मॉलिक्यूल? व्हेन टू और मोर देन टू एटम्स combine chemically they form a molecule. And what are formula units? It is the smallest unit of an ionic compound. ये तो हमने सब चीज़ें डिस्कस कर ली, लेकिन हमने इनका मास भी डिस्कस किया, जैसे मॉलिक्यूलर मास कैसे फाइंड करते हैं या फार्मूला मास और एटॉमिक मासेस भी डिस्कस किए. बट इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू फाइंड आउट द मास ऑफ दीज पार्टिकल्स प्रैक्टिकली. ठीक है. तो ये जो मासेस हैं इन सब को जब हम AMU में एक्सप्रेस किया हमने पहले, जैसे कि एटॉमिक मास को AMU में, रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास को भी एटॉमिक मास यूनिट में AMU में रिप्रेजेंट किया, मॉलिक्यूलर मास को भी और फार्मूला मास को भी. When we will express all these masses, which are atomic mass, molecular mass or formula mass, in terms of grams, then it will be known as gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass or gram formula mass. So keep it in your mind that to find out the mass of these particles, it is very troublesome that how we can find out the mass of such a small particle. So for this we have different units like AMU, atomic mass unit, and grams. And when we express the atomic mass or molecular mass or formula mass in terms of grams, then it will be known as gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass or gram formula mass. Okay. Now starting from gram atomic mass. द एटॉमिक मास क्या होता है? किसी भी एलिमेंट के एटम का मास या किसी भी एलिमेंट के मास को हम एटॉमिक मास कहते हैं, जिसमें नंबर ऑफ़ प्रोटॉन्स एंड नंबर ऑफ़ न्यूट्रॉन्स होता है. ठीक है. एटॉमिक मास इज इक्वल्स टू द सम ऑफ नंबर ऑफ़ प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स. सो व्हेन द एटॉमिक मास of an element expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass or gram atom. Okay. So when we express the atomic mass of an element in grams, it is called gram atomic mass or gram atom. Gram atom is the name of gram atomic mass. Okay. So we can say it gram atomic mass or gram atom. Okay. It is also called a mole. It is also called a mole. So it will be 1 mole is equals to the gram atomic mass of an element. Here we have examples. So this is the definition. This is the definition here from here to here. Okay. Now these are the examples. So you can give definition heading here before this and examples heading here before this. Okay. So the examples are 1 gram atom means 1 gram atomic mass of hydrogen. 1 gram atomic mass of hydrogen is equals to 1.008 gram. Beta 1.00 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. So atomic mass is 1.008 AMU, while gram atomic mass is equals to 1.008 grams. This is equals to 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. So 1 gram atom of hydrogen is equals to 1.008 grams, which is equals to 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. Similarly, 1 gram atom of carbon, the atomic mass of carbon is 12. If you have learned the atomic mass table from the chapter number 1, then you know that atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU. So when we express the atomic mass of carbon 12 AMU in terms of grams, not in AMU, then it will be called as gram atomic mass. So 1 gram atom of carbon is equals to 12.0 gram, which is equals to 1 mole of carbon atoms. it means that 1 gram atom of different elements has different masses. Why 1 gram atom of different mass elements has different masses? Because it is actually the atomic mass, and every element has different atomic mass. Okay, so that's why their masses are different from each other. Next is gram molecular mass. We have find out molecular mass, and we have also know that how to find out the molecular mass. So molecular mass is usually expressed in AMU, but when we talk about gram molecular mass, it will be expressed in the terms of grams. So the molecular mass of an element or a compound, एलिमेंट क्या मॉलिक्यूल होगा तो एलिमेंट का मॉलिक्यूलर मास, और अगर कंपाउंड का मॉलिक्यूल है तो कंपाउंड का मॉलिक्यूलर मास. सो द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ एन एलिमेंट और अ कंपाउंड एक्सप्रेस्ड इन ग्राम्स इज कॉल्ड ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास और ग्राम मॉलिक्यूल. It is also called a mole. Okay, so gram molecular mass will be equals to mole. 1 gram molecule of H2 is equals to 2.0 grams, which is equals to 1 mole of hydrogen molecules. While hydrogen is an element, while water is a compound. 1 gram molecule of water is equals to 18.0 gram, which is equals to 1 mole of water. 1 gram 1 gram molecular mass of sulfuric acid is equals to 98.0 gram. Here we have the mass of hydrogen is 1, while sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, sulfur is plus 32, sulfur has atomic mass 32, plus 16 multiplied by 4, 64. So 32 plus 64 plus 2, that will be equal to 98 grams, which is equals to 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Next we have gram formula mass. The formula mass of an ionic compound expressed in grams is called gram formula mass. We have also discussed formula mass. That mass is just used for the ionic compounds, because the smallest unit of ionic compound is a formula unit, and the mass of a formula unit is called formula mass. So formula mass is usually expressed in AMU, but when it is expressed in grams, it is called gram formula mass or gram formula. So the formula mass of an ionic compound expressed in grams is called gram formula mass or gram formula. This is also called a mole. For example, 1 gram formula of sodium chloride. 1 gram formula mass of sodium chloride 23 plus 35.5. 23 plus is the atomic mass of sodium, and 35.5 is the atomic mass of chlorine. So 23 plus 35.5, this will be equals to 58.5 grams, and it is equals to 1 mole of sodium chloride. 1 gram formula mass of calcium carbonate is 100 grams. How? 40 of calcium, the mass of calcium is 40, then the mass of carbon is 12, and the mass of oxygen is 16 multiplied by 3. So it will be equals to 100 grams, and it is equal to 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So these are the definitions and examples of gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, and gram formula mass. You will learn the definition and examples and write in your chemistry registers. Okay, have a good day. Allah Hafiz.